in a whip that you never seen. It got bulletproof glass in the ceiling screen. Let me guess, it cost you like 100,000. No, little bitch, it cost 7 billion. I'm doing what you do in your dreams. I fucked your bitch pussy Vaseline. These bitches always want to capture me. Hating ass nigga turn me to me. Fucked all y'all bitches like 10 to me. On the real, it was just me and me. We don't know how tall your girlfriend is. When we saw her, she was on her knees. I cannot get tired of money, but this money, it will turn people right in and greedy. I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls, he wish that he calls her and sitting in my life.